Have you ever wanted to say I'm sorry in Arabic, but you weren't sure which phrases fits the situation? Maybe you bumped into someone, maybe you interrupted a friend, or maybe you did something that definitely needs a real apology. Today we are learning how to sound natural and confident and culturally aware when apologizing in Arabic. Let's start with the simplest and the most universal way to say sorry in Arabic. This phrase works everywhere with everyone. Please repeat it with me. أنا آسف. أنا آسف. أنا آسف. أنا آسف. I am sorry. For male. أنا آسفة. أنا آسفة. أنا آسفة. أنا آسفة. I am sorry. For female. Here is a simple example of how to use it in real life. Imagine you are late to the class. You walk in quietly and say, أنا آسف. أنا آسف. Sometimes saying أنا آسف or I am sorry isn't enough. You need the polite, formal version way so you can say عذرا, 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 عذرا. Excuse me. Here is a simple example of how to use it in real life. When you accidentally interrupted someone who is speaking, you can say politely عذرا, عذرا, عذرا. Now let's learn how friends apologize to each other. غلطي, غلطي, غلطي. My bad. معلش, معلش, معلش. Sorry for the inconvenience. معلش مؤاخذة, معلش مؤاخذة, معلش مؤاخذة. Sorry for the inconvenience, or no hard feelings, or no offense. سامحني, سامحني, سامحني. Forgive me. لم أقصد, لم أقصد, لم أقصد. I didn't mean to.